In today's video, we're spotlighting 3 of the best Copilot AI apps for Android. If you're looking to boost your productivity, enhance your dating experience, or simplify your daily tasks with the help of AI, you won't want to miss this. Galaxy Assistant AI Copilot. Galaxy Assistant is an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance user experience on Android devices. This app serves as a versatile copilot, helping users with a variety of tasks such as scheduling reminders, managing notifications, and providing contextual information based on user behavior. With its natural language processing capabilities, users can interact with Galaxy Assistant through voice commands, making it easier to perform actions hands-free. This app is perfect for those who want a smart assistant that adapts to their needs, streamlining tasks and improving productivity throughout the day. AI Dating Copilot. AI Dating Copilot is an innovative app aimed at improving the online dating experience. This app acts as a virtual dating assistant, helping users craft appealing profiles, suggest conversation starters, and provide personalized tips for successful interactions. By analyzing user preferences and behavior, AI offers tailored advice to help individuals connect better with potential partners. This app is great for those navigating the dating scene, making it more enjoyable and efficient by providing guidance every step of the way. Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant. Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant integrates with various Microsoft applications to enhance productivity and collaboration. This app acts as a powerful copilot for users working with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, providing intelligent suggestions, automating repetitive tasks, and helping with content generation. It can analyze data, summarize information, and even assist in formatting documents, all while offering contextual guidance relevant to the task at hand. This app is perfect for professionals and students who want to boost their productivity by leveraging AI to simplify complex tasks and improve efficiency. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found these Copilot AI apps useful for improving various aspects of your life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.